Brion squeak squeak tinkle pretty pee warm piss foot paws pad and splash and smell of his pee while he spurts and warm golden tinkle flows down and smells up his pee paws and his anus puckers while his little balls twitch as his pee churns and bursts between his legs and the very tip of his urethra splashes and squirts and twitches with his warm bladder full of pee. He squishes his cock in desperation as his paws soaked with tinkle twitch and his balls press together and he aims his pee tinkle cock between his legs, making his thighs wet and stinky with warm hot tinkle pee as he rubs and splashes and his toes stink of wet pee for a tinkle pee suabative. He needs a diaper. Diaper pam pee comforting pee diaper for him to tinkle in and rest his peacock and press the tip against the soft insides of the warm diaper of squirt spurt warm yellow and twitch his balls inside anon. He needs a diaper. Anon he needs a pam pee diaper.